Hello children, I welcome you all to this English class. Today's session we are going to learn from Unit 6 Prose. The title is From Zero to Infinity and this is a biography of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Before we enter into the prose, we'll see about the author. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 and he died on 26th April 1920. He was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. Though he has almost no formal training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions, including solutions to mathematical problems considered to be unsolvable. He was born into a Brahmin Iyengar family in Erode, Madras Presidency, now is Tamil Nadu. The Man Who Knew Infinity, a life of the genius Ramanujan, is a biography of Ramanujan written in 1991 by Robert Corningell and published by Washington Square Press. Let's get into the lesson. Children, listen carefully. Meanwhile, I'll ask you questions. So, this lesson is all about Ramanujan, the greatest mathematician. One day, when the arithmetic class was in progress, his teacher was solving questions on division. When the teacher asked the students if there were 3 students and 3 bananas, how many each students would get? A smart boy replied that each one would get 1 banana. Then he proceeded to ask if 1,000 bananas are distributed among 1,000 boys, would each one get 1 banana? Ramanujan stood up and asked his teacher if no banana is distributed among no one, would everyone still get 1 banana? All the other students laughed at this silly question, but the teacher understood his question and explained to the students what he had asked. It was if 0 banana is divided among 0, would each one get 1? The answer would be no. Mathematically, each would get an infinite number of bananas. Infinite means countless or unlimited bananas. The boy had asked a question that had taken mathematicians several centuries to answer. But it was the Indian mathematician Bhaskara who proved that it is infinity. Okay, do you know who's that boy? Yes, the boy who asked the intriguing question. Intriguing means interesting or secret or mysterious question was none other than our Srinivasa Ramanujan, the greatest mathematician. Okay, what was the teacher doing? Yes, the teacher was solving questions on divisions, right? And he drew 3 bananas on the blackboard and he started to solve the problems, right? Yes. What did the Indian mathematician Bhaskara prove? Yes, Bhaskara proved 0 divided by 0 gives infinity, right? Yes. Ramanujan was born in Erode in Tamil Nadu on December 22nd, 1887. From early childhood, it was evident that he was a prodigy. Prodigy means a child with extraordinary talent. Senior students used to get his assistance in solving math problems. At the age of 13, he began his own research on trigonometry. The book Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure Applied Mathematics by George Shoebridge Carr triggered the genius in Ramanujan. Okay, which book triggered the mathematical genius in Ramanujan? Yes, Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure Applied Mathematics by George Shoebridge Carr. So this book only triggered the mathematical genius in Ramanujan, right? Yes. Ramanujan used to do problems on loose sheets and enter the results in notebooks, which are now famous as Ramanujan's frayed notebooks. Okay, where did Ramanujan do his mathematical problems? Yes, Ramanujan used to do problems on a loose sheets of paper or on a slate, right? Yes. Although Ramanujan secured a first class in mathematics in the matriculation examination and was awarded the Subramanian Scholarship, he failed twice in his first year arts examination in college as he neglected other subjects such as history, English, and physiology. He searched for job for food and papers to do calculations. The director of Madras Port Trust gave a clerical job to Ramanujan on a monthly salary of rupees 25. Okay, what were the subjects neglected by Ramanujan in college? Yes, Ramanujan neglected history, English, and physiology, right? Yes. Okay, who gave him a clerical job and what was his salary? Yes, you're absolutely correct. The director of Madras Port Trust gave him a clerical job, and not only that, he gave him on a monthly salary of rupees 25, right? Yes. Ramanujan sent a letter to the great mathematician G.H. Hardy of Cambridge University, in which he set out 120 theorems and formulae, which included the Riemann series. Okay, what did Ramanujan send to G.H. Hardy? Yes, he sent a letter in which he set out 120 theorems and formulae, and not only that, it included the Riemann series also. Am I right? Yes. Hardy and his colleague Littlewood realized that they had discovered a rare mathematical genius. They invited Ramanujan to Britain. Despite the cold weather and food, Ramanujan continued his research with determination in the company of Hardy and Littlewood. Hardy found an unsystematic mathematician in Ramanujan due to his lack of formal education. Ramanujan's achievements include the R.T. Ramanujan Littlewood Circle method in number theory. Okay, who discovered a rare mathematical genius in Ramanujan? Yes, Hardy and his colleague J.E. Littlewood discovered a rare mathematical genius in Ramanujan, right? Yes. As Ramanujan was suffering from tuberculosis, he was sent back to India. Even on his deathbed, he continued to play with numbers so that he could forget his agonizing pain. Ramanujan was also an astrologer and a good speaker. He gave lectures on subjects like God, zero, and infinity. Okay, what did Ramanujan do to forget his agonizing pain? Yes, Ramanujan continued to play with numbers even on his deathbed for what? To forget his agonizing pain, right? Yes. Let's see few hard words and its meaning from the lesson. Absurd, stupid and unreasonable, silly in a humorous way. Infinity, unlimited space, time, amount, a number large beyond any limit. Intriguing, very interesting because of being unusual or mysterious. Prodigy, a child who shows a great ability at a young age. Dingy, a dark and dirty place. Unkempt, not neat or cared for. Uncouth, behaving in an unpleasant way. Devouring, destructively consuming. Disembark, to leave a ship, aircraft, etc. after a journey. Agonizing, causing extreme physical or mental pain. Emaciated, very thin and weak, usually because of illness or extreme hunger. Now we'll see few key points for better understanding. In this lesson, from zero to infinity, we know the biography of Srinivasa Ramanujan, the great mathematician. He was born in Erode on December 22nd, 1887. He was a mathematician prodigy. He worked out his problems on loose sheets of paper or on a slate. University of Madras granted him fellowship of Rs 25 a month. His fame spread not only in the India but also all over the world. He goes to Cambridge, London, and discovers many theorems and formulae. His achievements at Cambridge include the Hardy Ramanujan Littlewood Circle method. Hardy and J. E. Littlewood discovered a rare mathematical genius in Ramanujan. He was the youngest Indian who received Fellow of the Royal Society award. During his research, he was suffering from tuberculosis and incurable disease. Besides being a mathematician, he was an astrologer of repute and great speaker. He used to give lectures on subjects like God, zero, and infinity. Okay, children, up to this, the prose gets over. Hope you understand. Please go through the prose in your textbook to get a clear view. And if you have any doubt, you can call me to clarify all your doubts. And don't forget to do all your activities. Thank you.